Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Eiger Grey. Starting our journey from the front, where we'll find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with pride on a set of 21-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast amount of boot space. It can be done via a single press of the key or easy to access buttons seen here. You will find your electronically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. You can also do this via the entertainment screen without the need to exit your vehicle. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way driver memory heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. And as we now take a closer look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. Ahead, you'll also notice your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speedometer and your sat nav. Advancing over now to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which, as you can see, is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about the vehicle and its surroundings. Again, like mentioned and seen demonstrated here, you'll also be able to stow and deploy your electronically deployable tow bar. You'll also be able to access various climate control systems and heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to access different driving modes and terrain settings from within your entertainment screen. And as we finalise our journey, we look up to see your panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque D200 Dynamic HSE, which we now have available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.